A very good evening to you all and welcome to the Education Summit 2014. This Education Summit is jointly organized by Indus Foundation, Omics Group, TV9, Government of Telangana and FAPSI. I think this is the right place for the students who are going to take admission in the year 2015 and also gives guidance to the parents as well as teachers and educationists in this sector. So as you are seeing, from morning onwards we are giving awards to the post-secondary education students as well as higher education students, and now some more awards are going to be given to the eminent persons in this sector. We are expecting around 10,000 more students are going to take part in this education summit. Coming to small story about me, I applied for project at Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology in 2006, and similarly I applied for a project at Stanford University. I am rejected at CCMB, but I got admission at Stanford University. The problem here is the competition. The competition is too much. So people like me are going abroad because of the lack of opportunities in India. And recently, Government of India has taken massive structural and systematic changes in higher education. So these changes definitely will help us, and India is going to become the destination for education. India's post-secondary education is already recognized as one of the best in the world. In future, India's higher education also is going to become very good, because once upon a time, the literature is with developed nations and developed universities. Now the complete literature is going to become open access. Omics is working to make healthcare and scientific information open access. We are running around 400 journals with the support from 30,000 editorial board members from across the world. So huge opportunity is there, and another advantage in India is cost of living is low, and anyone can survive with the international language English in any part of India. That is an added advantage in India, and they will get quality education with low cost. So definitely I think in the next 5 years, complete literature is going to become open access. Each and everyone who has the access to the internet, they can get the literature. So these are all my views. And to discuss and explore more about this topic, we have eminent personalities here from India as well as abroad. Definitely they are going to give very good guidelines to us. It will help to the students and their parents and public. And you know how many students are going from India to America every year? There are around 100,000 students. Because of that, US is getting $3.3 billion support to their economy. In Indian rupees, it is around 20,000 crores rupees. And yesterday I read a news in Forbes, there are around 4,500 students are coming from USA to India for the education. See, this is an interesting fact. I think India has very good scope to become the hub for education. So these are the few words I would like to speak with you. Thanks for giving me this opportunity, and I hope all of you are going to enjoy the city, beautiful city Hyderabad, and fruitful deliberations at Education Summit 2014.